The Shepherd, a Christian Eye device. Phase 1. Conceptualization and core technology. Months 1 to 6. Asterisk. Define core functionality. Unlike a general-purpose A, The Shepherd will focus on spiritual growth and Christian living. Bible-centric features. Reading a specific Bible verse or passage, answering questions about Scripture, and providing context. Asterisk prayer support. A personal prayer journal, guided prayers, and the ability to set prayer reminders. Christian content. Access to sermons from trusted sources, Christian music, and devotionals. Community integration. Eventually, the ability to connect with your cafe church for event reminders, sermon schedules, and prayer requests. Ethical and theological framework. This is a crucial, non-negotiable step. Establish a theological advisory board. Recruit a diverse group of pastors, theologians, and biblical scholars to guide the ICE development. This board will ensure the device's responses are theologically sound and avoid misinterpretations or heresies. Create a biblical accuracy protocol. Develop a rigorous process for vetting all content and responses. The AI must be trained on a curated, trustworthy dataset, not the open internet. Privacy and data security. Design the product with a strong emphasis on user privacy. All personal data, especially prayer requests, must be encrypted and stored securely. Asterisk technology stack. Voice recognition. You will likely use a third-party speech-to-text STT service or a pre-trained model. Options include Google Cloud Speech-to-Text or a custom solution built with libraries like TensorFlow. Natural Language Processing, NLP. This is the core of the AI. You'll need to train a model to understand Christian-specific queries. For example, what is the meaning of John 3:16? And generate appropriate responses. Text-to-speech, TTS, to give the device a voice. You can use services like Amazon Polly or a similar API. Hardware prototype. Start with a simple, off-the-shelf development board like a Raspberry Pi and a microphone and speaker to test the core functionality. Phase 2. Content curation and alpha testing. Months 7 to 12. Content development. Begin populating your content library. Bible translations. License several popular Christian Bible translations. For example, NIV, KJV, ESV. Sermon library. Partner with a network of respected pastors and churches to build a library of sermons and teachings. Asterisk devotionals. Commission writers to create a series of daily devotionals on various topics. Music library. License Christian music from artists and labels. Training the AI. Use your curated content to train the NLP model. This is an iterative process of feeding the model data, testing its responses, and refining its understanding. Asterisk. Alpha testing. Distribute a small number of prototype devices to your theological advisory board and a few trusted individuals. Gather their feedback on the device's accuracy, ease of use, and overall spiritual value. This feedback will be critical for the next phase. Phase 3. Beta and product development. Months 13 to 18. Hardware and industrial design. Finalize the design of your device. It should have a unique aesthetic that distinguishes it from other consumer ears. Consider elements that are both modern and spiritually resonant. Software and app development. Develop the user-facing mobile app that will be used to set up the device, manage preferences, and access additional content. This app should also be a portal for your cafe church's community features. Asterisk. Beta testing. Launch a larger beta test with a select group of potential customers. This will help you identify bugs, improve the user experience, and gather valuable market feedback. Manufacturing and supply chain. Secure a manufacturing partner and begin planning for production. This includes sourcing components, quality control, and logistics. Phase 4. Launch and marketing, months 19 plus. Marketing strategy. Create a compelling narrative around the Shepherd. Highlight its unique purpose as a tool for spiritual growth, not just another piece of technology. Target audience. Focus on churches, Christian families, and individuals seeking a deeper connection to their faith. Launch campaign. Use your cafe church as a physical launchpad. Host a product demonstration and feature the device prominently in your store. Asterisk. Online presence. Build a website and use social media to showcase the device's features and mission. Retail integration. Integrate the Shepherd into your cafe church's retail inventory. Train your staff to demonstrate the product and answer questions. Post-launch support. Establish a customer support team and a process for ongoing software updates and content additions. This will be key to building a loyal user base.